I think, as cancer researchers, one of the things that we bring to the table to this challenge is the real need in cancer to understand a lot of nuances, a lot of details about the immune system, because in some ways, cancer immunotherapists are fortunate to have many, many drugs at our disposal, and we have to try to match those different kinds of drugs to the patient, the immune system, and the type of cancer where they're going to respond the most. So over the past 10 years, really, the cancer immunotherapy field has built an ability to profile the immune system in exquisite detail to try to match therapies to the right kind of patient. And so applying that in COVID-19 gives us an opportunity to understand which patients are suffering from this sort of hyperinflammatory state, which patients may have failed to make an appropriate immune response and actually need more than immune suppression. They actually need antivirals and maybe immune activation, and really apply drugs and therapies to patients that might benefit the most. We can measure the immune system with an unprecedented level of specificity and detail, driven a lot by our cancer immunotherapy field. And we can put that into practice to design therapies that are more finely tuned to a patient's clinical presentation type. And so I think integrating the ability to use information about the overall immune health of a patient to tailor treatments is really what a lot of this has taught us, and it might be beneficial in diseases like COVID-19.
Cancer has been from the beginning one of probably the proving ground for translational medicine, where things are rapidly taken from basic discoveries and tested right on patients, because there really was no alternative. Just like we have people piling up in ICU with this pandemic. Where we'll see the silver lining in oncology is because oncology now is all about the host immune system reacting to the tumor, and there's technologies being developed at breakneck speed to study the host immune system in cancer patients. And that is now what is being applied, that those technologies can be applied, I think, to the benefit of understanding now this host immune response in a pandemic. So we're seeing real technology transfer there, and that ability, that's been installed because of the infrastructure for cancer immuno-oncology is really going to benefit, I think, viral pandemics.